Hey guys, I've got a 2018 Chevy Equinox, and I'm going to use this car to show you how you can change your turn signal. So we're going to pop down here. You're going to need a 7mm, and it does help if you get the car kind of up off the ground a little bit. And you get to the bulb through what's called the fog light access panel. So it's retained by a single 7mm screw. So we're going to go ahead and get that screw out of here. Now with the screw removed, we're going to set that aside, and you'll note there's a little clip on here. You just kind of pull it down. You can see how it pops in right in here. You can squeeze this piece and pull it down, and it will just kind of flop right on out. And if you look up through here, you can see your fog light assembly. So the bulb is going to be that bulb all the way at the back there. And so what I'm going to do is reach up through here and it is really difficult for me to actually film what I'm doing because this hole is so small, but this is the piece that you'll remove. And the bulb, you can just grab it and pull it straight out of the socket. This one may be a little hot because the turn signal's been on, but it will pop right out like so. And the part number on here, I believe it's a 272A, sorry. Bulb is a 272A. You'll want to take this opportunity to inspect the socket right there, make sure it's not corroded. Before you install a new bulb, you can put dielectric grease in there. And that piece was right there. To remove it, you rotate it counterclockwise and it pops out. When you install the new one, you push it in and then you rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. So installing the new bulb, just throw that back in there. And you can kind of see right there, so that's the piece right there that I removed. Now you'll want to reinstall the cover. So this piece locks in, it rotates up, then this piece clicks in, and you definitely want to reinstall this 7mm screw. Now if you've changed the bulb and the turn signal is still not coming on, you may have a wiring issue. To my knowledge, there's no single fuse that is responsible for providing power to the turn signal bulb. The power for that bulb comes directly from the body control module. So yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have any advice about changing the bulb on your Equinox.